Hey, what is up, Sway Babes? Whew. All right, I'm about to do this hair here. The style that I'm doing today, it is going to be a half up, half down with the cornrow braids. The cornrows in the front, ladies. We know this style here. I've been eyeing this style and I'm like, you know what? I want to give it a try. I want to see what it's going to look like this first time. So let's do this. All right, so of course, you guys know how I feel about sectioning off the hair. You know exactly what I'm about to do if you guys tune into my last video. I am literally about to do my ponytail retwist in the back of my hair and in the front half of it. So that's it. I just need to moisturize. Of course, I love that oil from African Pride, y'all. It smells so good. It has 5 great essential oils in it. I absolutely love it. I'm sitting here cutting up for a little minute. It's so funny. Oh, the holidays have really been amazing. Eco Style Gel, you know I can't go without it. And then as you'll see here, I'm just going to go ahead and start retwisting. You know this is my technique. I always, hey Araya. You know this is my technique here. I'm always putting my locks in my mouth to create that tension, y'all, to make sure that they are holding nice and steady until I can get it in the ponytail. Oh, this is so awesome. All right, so in the ponytail, it goes there. And so now that I have been able to start creating the ponytail, that's all I've done is just finish the back of my hair. And you see now I'm coming up to the sides of it. Basically, that's what I was just saying as y'all see me talking. So now that I have the back of my hair retwisted and ready to go, like you see in my ponytail technique, definitely this is what I'm doing now is doing my Bantu knots. Have to do the Bantu knots because I want to be able to create the curl in the back of the hair. And Bantu knots are a great way for you to get a nice bouncy curl depending on how long you keep the Bantu knots in. So I absolutely love this technique. I love Bantu knots. I actually sometimes rock them as just a simple hairstyle as well. I like to call them my rose Bantu knots. I can definitely do a tutorial for those one day. And so that's it. Just continue to go all the way around with your Bantu knots all the way throughout the back of your hair so that you can go ahead and start setting those curls in the back. So just keep twisting. This one's a little tight in the back there. And just keep wrapping them around. Almost done. It looks like I only have about one more. Awesome. Now that the Bantu knots are done. Look at the back of that. Even though I gotta get those naps. But the gel will handle that. Time to hit the middle. Work it, girl. Oh, so much hair, but I like to just knock it out. Okay, so now I am just retwisting the top part, the top portion of my hair now, so that I can create the cornrows. I'm almost done. Looking like a little unicorn. So now I am braiding the first cornrow here. But I realized I didn't go far enough back, so gotta undo it. And take some locks out of this little ponytail here. Just to pull them out so I can go more of a curve. Alright, let's finish this cornrow here. I believe next time I may do a bigger cornrow on that side so that you can see, you can tell more of it, but when you see it up close, it's really pretty. So now moving moving on to the other side here to make the other corn roll that is going to meet the other two cornrows in the middle. All right. Just go ahead and braid that. Just a tiny little corn roll on the side. Make sure you have the curve that leads all the way to the back. And don't braid the hair all the way to the end because you're going to braid all three cornrows together after you do the middle one. So just go ahead and do that middle cornrow there. And then of course gather the other braids and make sure you go ahead and just braid all three of them together. And just go ahead and put that in the ponytail. For a higher ponytail, like if you want your ponytail to stand up a little more, take some of your locks and just wrap it around the ponytail. I believe I'm going to do that the next go round, just so that that little ponytail sits up just a little bit higher. Now, the next thing I need to do is, of course, curl these ends as well. So I create little bantu knots. I just split the ponytail in half and make 2 bantu knots right there. So those will be ready as well with nice curls. So now basically it's all done except for laying baby hairs and taking bantu knots down. So this is it. This is the prep work that's needed. So I hope you guys love it. Okay, so I know right now it's like, all right, what's she doing? But I'm telling you, once I pull it down and I lay these edges, it's gonna be okay. So that is it for right now, y'all. So glad I finally got this done, and I will be back with y'all soon after I am dressed and hair and everything done. All right, later. All right, good morning, y'all. So we are almost there. Man, oh man, this hair. I had to let time for it to settle, but right now I'm going to go ahead and take this off so you guys can see. I know you probably remember how it looks, right? So let me go ahead and wet my toothbrush real quick so I can lay these edges, tie a scarf on. Then I'm going to undo these bantu knots. Then I'll be back, put my face on, y'all. Well, my other face, okay? Because this is my most beautiful face right here, okay? And that's it. All right, be back soon.
Just getting started. I was down for the cause, but some moving up but the fly. Baby girl, they
do you feel it the way I feel it? 'Cause you know you've been driving me crazy.
no more, no more, no more, no more.
Funny how I switched up. Funny that there's no us. Funny that I lost trust 'cause of you. Everything happens for a reason. No more, no more, no more.
What's poppin'? Barbazzi to LAX, the trips ain't never stopping. I be making movements, I'm just hoping that you watch them. I know that you want me while you keep your feelings boxed in, but locked in. I still have a key to little shit open when I'm walking. I'm really trying to get closer to you. You say you still got some feelings, show me what you gon' do. I ain't trying to waste no time. Can't get you off my mind. Damn, baby, why you so fine? Think about it every single day and night. I wanna know, is she hoping and wishing? Is he real? Am am I tripping? I've been thinking about it for a minute. Wanna figure out if you with it. Girl, I wanna know, do you or you don't feel the way I feel about you? I just need to know. Girl, I wanna know, do you or you don't feel the way I feel about you? I just need to know.
All right, dolls. So the scarf is coming all the way off. All right. Baby hairs are laid. Oh my goodness. So this is the look here. I would definitely do a higher ponytail the next time I do this look. I really do like it a whole lot. I think it's really cute. It was actually kind of simple as well. It wasn't that difficult to accomplish, but I love it. I think it's super cute. Don't forget, guys, to tell me if you like it. Drop your comments below and definitely subscribe because I am cranking out these videos, y'all. 2020 is my year. So happy new year to you and your family. Peace, way babes. Mwah.